To send a Zelle payment from Capital One, start by opening the Capital One mobile app on your phone. Log in by entering your username and password. Then tap to sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your account balances. Select the checking account you use with Zelle, as there shouldn't be too many options. On the checking account screen, find and tap the Send Money with Zelle button. You may be offered the option to try a new feature, such as a QR code, but you can opt to continue without it. This will take you to a list dashboard showing recent transactions, where you'll see Request and Send buttons. Tap on the Send button. Next, choose the recipient you want to send money to. Then enter the amount you wish to send on the following screen. You can also add an optional memo before tapping Done. After reviewing the transaction details, tap Review, and on the next screen, you'll have a final chance to confirm everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, slide from left to right to confirm the transaction, and the payment will be sent.